that half of the problems in this country, we can blame Forson for it. Self-ready in Ayati. Says
Abuza from Mamuna Makwaba at the Bagana and M0ney so. But I'm on the like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be na the be a mechanism be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. Who bet you the moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Adolfo, Inyanomni Adolfo, Mechiamu Bim, said the Bia Makachiremu say, Media, I'm very consistent on this matter, that half of the problems in this country, we can blame Forson for it. Self-ready in Ayati, says Sika World Bank for the Amma Ministry of Finance, really see for flooding, no. Forson doesn't want to release the money. He doesn't have money. You see, oh no, I can't, and I'm a couple of salaries. If the economy is doing so well, why are you going around borrowing for salaries? And say, no, bano, na ubeko radio ni TV no, so when I garret MPP former benso, dear na mo ye, na NDC for no person de propaganda bi ba, to say the sikabi the sikabi ma MPP for. NMPP for this cano and a nunti and a neck akra air flooding. No crano abetoedi. Dr. Baomiane Canasem say, a boa unidia, yame and a prano. And ne say NDC for Moniu. Monko blemu Forson because even when they came into power, some 13 million bianako the agency hono, oko sweepies can back to Ministry of Finance. Honorable Kennedy call Parliament Kokasa, Minister for Works and Housing. Or see even contracts are almost abrogating now also almost an award, you know. After no moko seek approval from Forson. And see, a Bibian to me mbabemu for 18 months. Now person who blame the previous government. Made to think of forcing I and a more abemu 18 months, then a more abemu 8 years, then a more year. Hey. Now o koshe odono in 2016. Na ye papa mami sisi da pabre so omokote odonim no ohun fia omotifri mu tide bia no fo beto edi Dr. Baomiane Canasem say aboa onidua nyame ene pra no ho ene say NDC for money ewu monko blemu Forson because previous government made to think of forcing I and am more abemu 18 months then am more abemu 8 years then am ye hey na o koshe odono in 2016 na ye papa mami sisi da pabre so omokote odonim no ohun fia omotifri mu tide bia no for 8 years na de bia mudi fingu mu no hu se efi mesa be go odonim biem na obinu tumi gina parliament ka say California is the richest nation so hoflade and New York hoflade and Dubai enti no beza mo ka kire say enam se California was kanti hoflade nti den maba ban mu munhwe na munye djuma mokasem betumi aye no na munjai comparison no na munjai MPP4 na ye ho ntoye mechia mu nyina na 2028 DMB is very possible.
Asirima kwasia bejan beka che say the asirimi emfa anya politics destiny wonu mu nto wate wonu mu ento ho fono ho kan say kana ma abini abu wafunu destiny me hu ni say wu usuro me because who destiny me block won na em block wo chena because wo me fa wonya bini fa wonya tan eti me ye bibia me pese wo hunu mu ba jam say usuro me nti me ya wo madam am your madam destiny baby ya wo ti beto kura no ayeden baby ya wo ti wo de beto kura no ayeden wo fu so je sin mu bi no mo ho akono nti mo bae no ya me mama ebi mu contract o destiny wo ye de wo hye hen ye de wo di mema na ye de wo di mema mu hu fin wate hu fin destiny po hu wie ansa na obedi ba omi atem po hu wie siesie wo hu ma ho nya akono oba ma ho nya akono When I say so your ba. Obosu na aye jire bare say ya wiesu. Destiny. Ye mu be efre kurase tum ne ba yo nti ya no ye o. Ya no ye ya. Why? Ti wono captain smart mu ye no mo kwase asem ne mo chimi sem na ma podam sem na wonya red chance kakra bi kwatena TV so na wo kan woni twa series sem no. Captain, why ya po papa o? Po papa ma papa ho nya akono. Why? Na da bi akokan be kan papa. Wait. Full stop. Kakra bi we kuma bi we. Hey. Boy, ba o mi ani akufa don smart man so masem boy.
Wo be man crop foforo. Won fa ma assembly. Won fa ma sanitation bio. Anya wa. Sa sanitation for disika. Yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa nye hwe. Na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for. Na wo je ye no. Anya wa. Sako hwe no sako shi ta. Nso ton so na baby shi. Hey! Who ya deal? Who who buy a jashishi? Hey, Mr. Pat. Who ya buy perfect intro? Hey, so what's a pat? Second wide. Who is a pat na never ye bibiamo? Into
about 15 minutes, you can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him.
Flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
More than 4 hours. More than 4 hours. Me wife in him.
For 4 hours in here. Me free and past 6:30. I think 9 or 10. And then a kwaba kopa adava for namso every day. Over kwaya away so I was so do a masamai. I was over 30 minutes. Uber do a masamai 2 hours 30 minutes. Ada na ya na enokratisa e kwari kaka muntu asomfa mae na do aba for yesu yanko adwuma ni yetiminya sika me we ya ide ni amma na taxes a homo dwie no muso musanyi de mo bagina mu de mu nua mu de scan de mu di yenim munya kwa ne mae say insurance do aba for ye insurance ya license eh me ka ho road account sika bia wo mu jibi wo do aba for still e kwanya enti ani homo so ye be mo mae we baby ebe ko bia wasi age 5 cedi aye beje 20 cedis eno to dan tia police ni sa gira kwaso no ati driver no agiwo o tia no paper obi bia ya adwuma o tu mu to betima ka kire wo se e bia ma scam de to e bia battery na government no e bia battery no na say light no mu use no government timi ma ho mana enti bibia do ba fo ye nyamfa so dia ene e kwan we no ye demonstrate abai no ene wo man wo mo meye kwan ma wo mo tu asomaye
abusian me obo kwasia pa mbre sen ne wotie no NDC for no mobile Captain Smart pass on be 10 TV so no one chan tronya propaganda on cansem hunu won di atem no omo mbre sen Ghana for na they think say Captain Smart no ni nyansa bi na o ka no kora no nti wo mutie no omo na omo mbre Ghana for na o mutie Captain Smart no Omo no omo bread. Now you see about to rent I see one crime man 4 days ago. Nipa over 37 actually womonkwa. Tiense mhunu ne nkwasiasema Captain Smart kwatena TV so ekan. Hwe no uwi abra ne nkanya ansem nkyere no.
De to yen enene nansa ne de nyina no. Eye nipa bone sama MPP fo di o man yi. Hwe nipa do MPP fo ma o mo.
Jene da no. Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman ni issue ayewo. Kwa ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya ma mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, the active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the number of hospitals in the is because of time. But those ones go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look at say hospitals and they go and no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country was I would to me say, oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator me on funded free seniors who so may comfort. You see, I ain't Ghana for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem okeke mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for ne nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians ne nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women omo nko ma ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system but most open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introducing electric or electronic bus systems, most people konketenkete. Is there anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa and I feel them watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem say bi me na me go catch you John Dramani ma say all members come to one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say daddy. Digitalization en to kinki, nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the John Dramani mama could not and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, now they are king and we have utilization there. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear, go your credit, and now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now, Miss Iffiums, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say where I can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, any letter now was say Council of State member no, ye former staff M0ney, which is never true.
Onya
Juma or da, and Onya Juma or da. M0ney for the first time. M0ney I post. Oh yes. Now why you post?
Yeah, no catch you be say oh the paneboa.